coming out here. I'm gonna have a chicken dinner. Excuse my mess. I'm gonna have a chicken dinner, and I feel it's time to pull some of these potatoes. These over here I actually just planted not too long ago, so I'm not gonna pull these, but towards this side, as you can see, they're spread out a little bit more, and I believe we got some good potatoes in there. So I'm just gonna break that apart like that. So just gonna fool around in here for a little while. Should be able to find something. There we go. A little bit there. It's a little one. I think I'm gonna leave that one in there. But there we go. It's a pretty good size one there. Pull that, as you can see. Put that one aside. Dig over here a little bit. See if we can find something over here. There we go. There's another one. That's a nice, beautiful, big one there. I love that. Rip some of this apart some more. As you can see, and like when you find little ones like that, you know, that are connected to the root and stuff, it's actually great about potatoes. I planted these like 3 years ago, and I haven't planted any more potato seeds in this garden. So you just take, you know, little ones like that apart, and you know, they're too small, you know, even like these little ones on the roots, and break them apart, they're too small, just throw them back in there. That's the beautiful thing about potatoes, you know, they regrow. I'm just gonna keep digging around in here. I want to try to find at least 2 more good sized potatoes in here. Another little small one. This would be a pretty good sized one over in here. I feel some pretty good ones down here. Still a lot of small ones down in here. Just gonna leave those down in there. Oh man. I'm gonna dig over here. I'm pretty sure there's some big sized potatoes over here. Oh, there you go. As you can see. I'll take these 2 off, these 2 big ones here. I actually don't like the looks of that one. I mean, I think it's pretty good, but I think I'll throw it back in and let it grow some more. Let it grow some other different potatoes off of it. Maybe healthier. See, these are better colors. Better colors on them. That one just looked a little too ripe. These are beautiful. Well, there you go. Harvest potatoes, fresh for dinner.